أتعلم، أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب، نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب، نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم، أنا أتعلم، حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashraf Habib from Yasmin section, Ibn Khaldun Schools, English Word, Class 4, Grade 4, Unit 12, Lesson 3. Our lesson today is about speaking. Here we have the objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, learners are guided to listen to a dialogue, listen and repeat the dialogue. Listen to a dialogue, listen and repeat the dialogue. Number 2, understand the story and answer oral questions. Understand the story and answer oral questions. And finally, we have the third one, which is read and act the dialogue. Read and act the dialogue. Before we start our lesson, we are going to do a warm-up exercise. The first word here is pouring. What's meant by pouring? When you are tired of doing something, you felt bored of it. This is pouring. Valuable? Yes, this is valuable. Desert. You remember the desert? A place where is little water and no trees. Yes, desert. And now, camel train. Is there a camel train here? Yes, this is the camel train. Statue. What's meant by statue? Search for statue here. Yes, this is a statue. Date palm. Is there a date palm here? Of course. Do you like dates? Yes, especially in Ramadan. Prize. When you win, you get a prize. This trophy is a kind of prize. Oasis. Oasis is a place in the desert where you can find water and trees. Yes, this is oasis. Jeep. Jeep is a type of car that can go in the desert. Archaeologist. Is there any archaeologist here? Yes. Sick. Yes. When you are unable to do your work, unable to go to school, you need to see a doctor when you are sick. Space voyage. You can go in space voyage on a space shuttle or on a rocket. Tourist. A person who visits a place on holiday. We call him tourist. Treasure. Yes, this is treasure. Suspiciously. You know what's meant by suspiciously? Thinking something may not be true. Thinking something may not be true. Yes. Amazed. What's meant by amazed? Yes, Amazed means very surprised. Amazed means very surprised. And the last one is souvenir. Souvenir is a present, but you buy it for yourself to remind you of a place. I'd like you now to open your pupil's book on page 119. What's the title? Yes, the treasure hunt. You remember the treasure hunt? We had 5 parts before. You remember what happened? Yes, this family went to the museum, and once they entered the museum, they found a treasure hunt. Yes, in the treasure hunt, you have 4 questions. 4 questions. They have to answer these 4 questions through entering different rooms. Who can remind me, what's the first room did they enter? Excellent, the Egyptian room. And what's the second room? Yes, the Chinese room. And after that, they went in the space room. And finally, they entered Sapmi. Yes, you remember what's meant by Sapmi? A place where Sami people live. And now this is part 6. Part 6. Let's find out what are they doing and who got the prize. Who got the prize? I'd like you now to listen and think. Listen and read.
Pupils Book, Unit 12, page 119. Activities 1 and 2. The Treasure Hunt, Part 6. The End of the Treasure Hunt.
There aren't any more questions.
I'm going to sit here. I still feel rather sick after the space voyage.
Me too.
Look, Dad. I think that is the man who checked the treasure hunt answers.
Let's see. Good. Very good. Excellent.
I think all your answers are correct.
Well done, children. You are the winners of the mystery prize today.
Wow! What is the mystery prize?
Here you are. The prize is tickets for all your family
Tickets for what?
for the Journey into Space special ride, a trip around the universe. It lasts for 30 minutes and it's amazing.
Wow! Fantastic!
Oh no!
Not
again.
Okay, who can tell me after listening, what was the prize? What was the prize for the winners? Yes, it's a journey into space, but it's a special ride, you know? It's a trip around the universe and it lasts for 30 minutes. Did father and mother like the prize? No, but the children liked the prize. I'd like you now to listen again and try to read in order to act the dialogue with your friend, with your mom, with your dad.
Pupils Book, Unit 12, page 119. Activities 1 and 2. The Treasure Hunt, Part 6. The End of the Treasure Hunt.
There aren't any more questions.
I'm going to sit here. I still feel rather sick after the space voyage.
Me too.
Look, Dad. I think that is the man who checked the treasure hunt answers.
Let's see. Good. Very good. Excellent.
I think all your answers are correct.
Well done, children. You are the winners of the mystery prize today.
Wow! What is the mystery prize?
Here you are. The prize is tickets for all your family
Tickets for what?
for the Journey into Space special ride. A trip around the universe. It lasts for 30 minutes and it's amazing.
Wow! Fantastic!
Oh no!
Not
again.
Okay, after listening for the second time, who can tell me why didn't Mom and Dad like this prize? Why didn't Mom and Dad like this prize? Who can tell me? Excellent. Because they are still sick from the first one. They are still sick from the first ride on the shuttle, on the space shuttle. Open your workbook on page 113, exercise number 1. Write the words in order, according to the alphabetical order. You remember the alphabetical order? A, B, C, D? Okay. Number 1. Start, desert, statue, camel, treasure, palm. Yes, we start with the word camel because C comes before letter D. And what comes after? Excellent. Palm, then start precedes statue, and the last one will be treasure. Let's say it again. Camel, desert, palm, start, statue, and the last one will be treasure. Number 2. Try to read. Oasis, tourist, dune, stone, torch, and sand. Who can put them in order? According to the alphabetical order. Yes, we start with the word dune, oasis, sand, stone, torch, and tourist. Number 3. Huge, disappointed, amazed, flat, valuable, distant. Who can put them in order? Yes, we are going to start, of course, with the word amazed, disappointed, distant, flat, huge, and the last one will be valuable. Number 4. Kneel, exclaim, slide, roar, shine, hide. Yes, exclaim, hide, kneel, roar, shine, and the last one will be slide. We finished? Exercise number 2. Match, write the letters. Match, write the letters. Number 1. Kneel, kneel. Yes. What's meant by kneel? To go down on your knees. To go down on your knees. This is letter D. And the picture is letter H. Again, let's say it again. The word kneel. What's meant by kneel? Yes, to go down on your knees. And which picture is suitable for this word? Yes, picture letter H. Let's move to the second. Palm. What's meant by palm? This tree grows in hot places. Yes. Which picture is suitable? Letter L. L. So, number 2, letter E is the definition and letter L is the picture. Number 3, souvenir. Souvenir. Yes, letter A. You buy this on holiday. It helps you remember your holiday. You buy this on holiday. It helps you remember your holiday. We call it souvenir. Letter A. And which picture? Picture letter K. Dune. Dune. Huh? Yes, letter F. A hill of sand in the desert. We call it dune. And which picture? Letter I. Number 5, oasis. What's meant by oasis? Yes, letter B. A place in the desert, there is water there. A place in the desert, there is water there. So, number 5 with letter B. And which picture? Letter J. The last one, camel train. What's meant by camel train? Yes, letter C. A long line of camels. A long line of camels. Letter C. And which picture? Letter G. Until I see you, I wish you all luck.